Alright class, we've already gone over the elements of art, which are line, color, shape, value, texture, space, and form. Okay, and today we're going over the principles of design, which are emphasis, balance, movement, pattern, repetition, proportion, rhythm, variety, and unity. Okay, so the principles of design describe the ways that artists use the elements in a work of art. Alright, so you should have already filled out your graphic organizer with your own definition of each principle of design and a visual representation of the word. Alright, so today we're going to do some labeling. Okay, this is a work of art. It's a painting by Kandinsky. Who has heard of Kandinsky before? No one? Okay. So, how would you begin to analyze a work of art that you have never seen before? That's where we use the principles of design and the elements of art, okay? That's how we analyze art that we've never seen. When you walk into a gallery and you don't know any background information on an artist, how are you going to analyze the painting or sculpture? Okay, so what is the first thing that you see when looking at this work of art? Okay, this shape. Okay, so emphasis, also known as focal point, okay, is right here. Okay, the emphasis is on this shape. It is different in color. It's black, stands out, and it is large, okay? It's bigger than the other shapes. So that is emphasis. Okay, so we're just going to go through the list. So now we're at balance, all right? What is a balance like? Is it symmetrical or asymmetrical? Okay, so pretend you cut the paper in half. All right, this side, we have pretty good balance. On this side, this shape is kind of throwing it off, so it's asymmetrical balance. All right, what about movement? Okay, when you first look at the painting, your eye goes here, and then this shape kind of brings it around through here. Okay, there's a lot of movement in this piece. All right, pattern, we see some patterns through here. Okay. Repetition, the repetition of lines. Okay. Shapes, we have rectangles, we have circles. Okay. Okay, what about proportion? How is the proportion of shapes? Right, we have this big shape, and then we have smaller shapes in here. All right, not too much rhythm. I want to talk about variety. Okay, there's lots of variety. Like I said, line. There's curved lines, straight lines, circles, squares. Okay, this is all variety. Okay, also value and color. There's a lot of variety in the color. There we have yellow, we have some blue back here, yellow background, purple, black. Okay, lots of variety. And also unity. Okay, so we have unity in the shapes, lines. Okay, all these things work together in a work of art to create an interesting composition. All right, so now in groups, I'm going to hand you an abstract work of art, and I want you to analyze the work of art using the principles of design and keeping in mind the elements of art. Okay, your work of art isn't necessarily going to have all of the principles of design, but go through each one and see what you have, okay? And then at the end, we'll have one person from each group come up and label in front of the class. All right, so get to work.